Hi, boys and girls. We're going to go over our shapes one more time, okay? Well, maybe not one more. We might do it more than that. Okay, let's go over the first shape. Circle, Cindy's circle, right? It's not a straight line, it's a curved line. It doesn't have any corners, it doesn't have any sides. When I was testing kids last week, everybody got circled. Everyone got circled. Okay, how about this one? Sandy square. Okay, Sandy square has 4 sides, has 4 corners. All 4 sides are the same. How about this one? Triangle. I think everyone got this one too. Good job, you guys. Triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Tommy Triangle is the name for me. Touch my sides. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one, because it's new, a lot of kids had a trouble with this one. Some kids called it a square. Some kids just couldn't remember. This is rectangle. Ricky rectangle. Ricky starts with R and rectangle starts with R. Okay, rectangle. Now it's a little bit like a square, isn't it? It has 4 sides and 4 corners, just like a square. But they're not the same, are they? They're different, okay? On a square, all 4 sides are the same. On a rectangle, the 4 sides are not the same. The top and the bottom are the same. The left and the right are the same. But see how much longer the top is than the side? So let's do the poem. Ricky Rectangle is my name. My 4 sides are not the same. Count one side and then count more. Count 2, 3, count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn me this way, I look like a door. Turn me this way, I'm a window in a store. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was a good little review. Now, I want you guys to get your rectangle book. This is the last little shape book. Well, there's one more in there, but it's kind of a review of lots of shapes. All right, so this is the last one with a cute little bear in it. All right, so you can get your book out. You're going to write your name on the front someplace. I think I'm going to just put mine over here, up here on the right-hand side. All right, and you know you're going to color that, but we want to read it first, right? So here's the word says rectangles, just like this. And it's kind of nice when the kids recognize it. They're not expected to be able to read it or spell it, but it is nice if they can recognize that because it's going to be on every single page, right? So let's spell it. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. All right, let's read the book, and don't forget, just like the other 3 books, this word's going to be on every single page. A-R-E is R. It is a sight word. It's not one of the first sight words we learn. It comes a little bit later on, but it's important, and we might as well learn it now, right? I can spell R, A-R-E. I can spell R, A-R-E. I can spell R, A-R-E. I can spell listen to me. You're going to find it on these pages. Okay, so now we're going to use our picture clues. What do you see? That's a rectangle here. Books. Books are rectangles. I bet you can find some books in your house, right? That are shaped like rectangles. Ah, these are buildings. This looks like a city, doesn't it? Buildings are rectangles. And remember, we read from left to right. So first you look at the picture clues. I just said the word picture, and what are those hanging on the wall? Not a mirror, they're pictures, right? And that's what it says down there. And then you ask yourself, okay, because you may think, oh, that's the bear looking in the mirror. But when you look at the word, mirror would start with a so you know it's not mirror. This word starts with a p. So could it be pictures? Yeah. Pictures are rectangles. There's 1, 2, 3 words. We read from left to right, and we stop at the dot. And the dot's called what? A period. Very good. Okay. Now these, kids might say, oh, these are letters, because they know that when these come in the mail, maybe there's a letter inside. But the letter goes inside of this. These are envelopes, okay? And some people say envelopes or envelopes. Envelopes, we'll say envelopes. Envelopes are rectangles, because you hear the E. Envelopes. Okay, what are these? The bear's looking at the doors. Door number 1, door number 2, and he's going like this. Which door do I want to open? Maybe there's a surprise inside. So down here, door starts with a D, D, D. That's why we know this is doors, right? Doors are rectangles. And then we get to the cute little poem. Rectangles, rectangles everywhere. And the last page. I love rectangles, says the bear. Awesome, good job. Okay, so I'm not going to color this right now. I might color it before I post it onto the assignments. But I do want to tell you, parents, I don't need a picture of every single page, okay? Maybe you can ask the kids, what page is your favorite? What page did you like the best, okay? And they can take a picture of just one page. I just want to know that they watched the video and that they knew that this was the assignment today. I've got a couple of videos last week of the kids reading, and I love that. Okay, so that's up to you. You can either send me a picture of the book or your child reading the book. Okay? And then the only thing left we have for rectangle is we want to make our necklace. I just have to find everything on the computer and send it to you. Okay, all right, bye-bye.